What's up guys, this is What's Short Tech. It has been a really long time since I've done a video, but today Apple released, well not today, it's been a while, maybe a few weeks since they have announced the single loop bands. Now I went into the Apple store, I actually was able to get one. They have a low stock of these, so I got one in a lower size. It should fit me fine, but let's open this up. Little tear there, like always. And let's see, the unboxing experience with Apple is always good though, so I have nothing to worry about there. So anyway guys, comment, what are you looking forward to from Apple this year? Because they do have new watches, if you guys are looking forward to that. I like the single loops, they look great. It feels like there's something in here. I don't know why it doesn't open and why I have to like tear this off. Hold on, there really is something in here and I gotta... What is this? Oh, it feels like it was just this and made it look thicker, which was strange. Anyways, this is the single loop. This is what it is. I got it in a brace kind of style. It's stretchy, so that's cool. Anyways, at the Apple store they told me how to put these on. You basically put it on like that and then you just stretch it into your hand like this, and there you go. So I have a 45mm Apple Watch, but these fit into these smaller watches. If you, let me go to this other side. So yeah, I have a 42mm Apple Watch. It actually fits on the watch really good. This is what it looks like all around. I might take some pictures to do a little cool voiceover over that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It feels good. I got it in a smaller size, so we'll see if it bothers me. I have 14 days to return it and upgrade the size if I need to. But this is the only size they have, so I don't know if that's gonna happen. But yeah, we're gonna try this out for a few days. It's nice. I like it. It fits my stainless steel watch pretty good. And yeah, this is just a small unboxing just to see you guys what it looks like. If anyone was curious what the boxes are like, the Apple Watch bands, what it looked like. So the single loops, they're an interesting concept. I like them. And I'm glad they stretch. You know, so they really do fit your wrist good. And I think this is the perfect size for me. The smaller size, which is nice. So that's it for me. I know I said I was going to do a Mavic Mini review, and I haven't been able to get that out. I do have footage, and I do want to share my experience with it, but I was going to do some ND filter footage, and that kind of went away. I lost my drone. That's another story for another day. But yeah, I got a new Mavic Mini, and I'm going to be hopefully releasing those videos shortly. So yeah, new single loop bands look really nice. If anyone's wondering, for me it's $100, but I had tax, so it's like $109 with tax. Not bad. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys in the next video. What's Short Tech out.